Hey guys, welcome back. Tell you what, yeah, hope you're doing well. I'm doing good. Been fighting the weather and 2 days getting this in. This is not the cook I wanted to bring you. This cook I'm going to bring you, I was actually going to do off camera. I'm doing some wings, guys. I do a lot of wings on here, I know. But I do got some new seasoning I want to show you, and I really want to try this on wings. So tonight's tonight. I'm going to bring you along for that. So let's go inside, get some wings seasoned. Go put them on the Weber kettle, and I'm going to use our vortex again on this one. So guys, let's get going. Okay guys, we got maybe just shy of 4 pounds by the time I trimmed them up. Got some pretty good size flats here. I've taken the flappers, cut them off, and I've separated the drums and the flats. And we're just gonna get these seasoned up. I'm gonna start with just a little olive oil. Toss it around. Try to get them all evenly coated. Don't need a whole lot here. That's good enough. Alright guys, y'all may have seen this before. I've never even heard of this. This is St. Elmo Steak House, supposed to be world famous, but I must admit I've never even heard of it before. But I tell you what, I put this on steaks and burgers both, and it was excellent. So we're going to give it a shot here on chicken. It recommends it for chicken, so we'll see what happens. Alright. Get them all pretty evenly coated. Probably going with a little bit more. Definitely gonna do some more. Matter of fact, turn that around and open it up a little bit. Now we're talking. Alright guys, do a little bit more. The next time you see me, we'll be out at the grill. Vortex dead center. All vents wide open because I want to get some heat generated, and we're gonna let her heat up, and we'll come back out and get the meat on. Hey guys, we're up around 400. I expect to stay. We're gonna drop a little bit for our cooking, but go ahead and get these on. As with any vortex cook, we're gonna cook around the outside. We're gonna cook these indirect. I'm coming in just my bare hands. Don't stick your hand too close to that center, buddy. One more back here somewhere. And just because we can, I've got some mesquite wood here. We're going to generate some smoke on these as well. We'll check back in maybe 15 minutes or so. We are roughly about, I don't know, 15, probably closer to 20 minutes in. I'm coming to give these guys a turn. I like what I see. I'm not running this grill super hot tonight. Been running approximately about 360 to 370. Which to me is really good for this type of cook. A lot of people run wings super hot. I don't really like to do that. Alright guys, we're going to turn the mesquite over. I don't want to get a whole lot of smoke on this. We're going to get a little bit more though. We'll check back to here in just a little bit. What are we looking at here, guys? I'm going to go ahead and give these a flip. Looking good. I think we're getting close, folks. Guys, I'm not going to glaze these. I do got some dipping sauces inside. Just because we're here, I want to check some temps. Ooh, it's again stiffening it up. We're getting close, guys. We're at 170 on these flats. Stay off the bone. Just a little bit longer, guys. We're going to be pulling these. Alright, guys. I think we're definitely about there. 195. I ain't gonna lie to you and say I didn't stick a few of these over the direct heat to speed them up, but I think we're finally got them all there. I'm gonna pull these off, go inside, feed my family, and we'll come back to you for a little taste test. This is what I'm talking about, boys and girls. Alright. I'm gonna go in straight with this no sauces at all here because I want to taste that seasoning. As I suspected. Because that's St. Elmo's. That is tasty, guys. I swear I'd never even heard of this. And I walked past a little kiosk at my local shopping center. Had it on there. I said, I'm gonna give it a shot. It is good. I've used it on steaks and burgers, and now on wings, and I will definitely use it again. Wow, if you see it out there, St. Elmo's, it says world famous. I apparently haven't been to that part of the world, but I have now. It is very good. So guys, thank you as always. Do one more bite. Do my ranch, my typical ranch. I've also got a little bit of this red hot thick sauce. It's the spicy honey and bourbon. Use it from time to time, it's really good. So guys, thank you. As always, it's not the cook I planned. This one was kind of rushed. And as you can see at the end of this, it was starting to get dark on me. So my family was starting to growl at me, so I had to rush. Thank you, and we will see you on the next cook. God bless you, folks. Bye-bye.